Hello and welcome back everyone to a new video of app tutorial. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to share your WhatsApp link to your Facebook profile. By sharing in your WhatsApp link, whenever someone taps on that link, they will be directed to your WhatsApp chat. So if you want that and you want to attach it or share it to your profile, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. So the first things first, let's head over to WhatsApp and get the link. Once you're on WhatsApp, just tap on the three dots that you see on the top right. From here, tap on settings and then just tap on the QR code option that is beside your name. Once you tap on the QR code, it's going to show you a QR code, but to get the link, you can tap on the share icon on the top. Once you tap on that option, it's going to give you different interfaces or different social media platforms that you can share the link to. In order to copy in the link, you can choose something like notes on your device, or you can also choose the messaging option. For now, I'm going to choose the notes option, and it's going to open up the notes where you can see the link now has been attached. From here, I'm just going to copy in the link instead of all these texts. So just highlight the link only, and then you can tap on copy. Now once this link has been copied, you can open up your Facebook app, head over to your profile on the top left, and from here you can just tap on edit profile, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see a section of links. So just tap on add. Then there are two sections to this. Either you can add in social media links, or you can also add in website links. Because WhatsApp is a social media, we're going to tap on add social link, select the platform, which is WhatsApp, and you can now paste in the link. Once the link has been pasted, tap on save on the top right, and there you go. The link now has been successfully added to your profile on Facebook. So that was the easy process of sharing WhatsApp link to Facebook profile. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.